Hello, everybody. This will be a Bitcoin and Ethereum update. Quick update for you. I am on the 12-minute time frame right now. We have a local golden pocket at around 45,777. We do have another naked daily point of control. However, this doesn't really seem to have any confluence with anything. So I don't really expect us to bounce off of it or anything. Looking at the higher time frames, we are getting the VWAP coming up and a possible green dot printing on the daily. Same with the 2-day. However, the 3-day, there is the VWAP coming down and it could print a red dot within the next day or so. So I am not overall too bullish. The most bullish I would be, though, is that if we came up and touch this naked monthly point of control at around 48,975 and then rejected based off of that. It does have a lot of volume behind it, and whenever a price tends to touch a point of control with a lot of volume backed behind it, it tends to get a pretty good reaction off of it. So I expect that to be a pretty good short. Just looking at the more supports below us, again, we have this important daily that's been acting as support and resistance for quite a while. This whole range pretty much ever since January. And that is coming around at 44,389. That is also a trend line, so that is a key support. If we do lose that support, I expect us to come much lower. We're at around 41,598 or 41,600 roughly. There's a lot of confluence in here, along with a daily in here. So this zone of support would be a nice support line. Also, just coming a little bit lower. Really, the worst case scenario that could happen is we come down to 39,300. That is a naked monthly point of control, a possible parallel channel that we've been trading in, this kind of sideways range. And it's kind of a idea for maintaining a bullish structure as we are still making higher lows. I think that would flip a lot of people bearish, and then we would just pump up from that, while a lot of people would just wait on the sidelines. Looking at Ethereum, we are in still a sideways range a little bit. We do have a local golden pocket at around 34,060. We do have a naked daily point of control right here, but again, low volume is backed by it. We have a wick at 3,582 roughly. That could make it for a nice short. If not, I do expect us to come up into 3,600. This is the top of the parallel channel, and it would be something similar to what Bitcoin will do. Usually, if Bitcoin gets a good reaction from that naked monthly point of control that I mentioned earlier, you can probably short Ethereum with it. It will just mimic and copy whatever Bitcoin is doing, really. Supports below us, we do have a 382 at around 3,166. Just above an important daily. The important daily on Ethereum this time is 3,185. That is also having confluence with the single prints being filled. I think we'll range before touching that daily, and then if we do hold that daily support, we could come up even further. If not, we'll come down even lower at around 2,830 to 2,800 roughly. If we lose that, expect us to come down to 2,700, as there is a ton of support. We have 2,786s, a golden pocket, a daily, naked daily point of control, in the bottom of the parallel channel that we've been trading in for ever since the beginning of February. Looking at market cipher B, we do have the VWAP just kind of coming down. There could be a possible green dot printing if Bitcoin tends to pump from here. Today, we could get a red dot playing out. In a 3-day, again, similar to Bitcoin, we could get another 3-day that would just kind of negate the whole move a little bit. Weekly, VWAP is kind of coming down, however, money flow is coming up. In the 2-week, we are getting a green dot printing. So this could be a quick little pullback, possibly to 3,200, and then we could pump up from there. But again, it all depends on whatever Bitcoin is doing. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Plus, I'll leave a link to a free Discord link in the description where I post all my trades along with other traders posting their trades too. Thanks. Bye.